Let me show you how to connect TikTok ads to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and generate a full campaign performance report. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose TikTok ads from the available platforms and set the permissions. Authorize InsightfulPipe to access your TikTok ads data by clicking Confirm. Select the ad account you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Now copy the TikTok ads MCP server URL from the guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the TikTok ads MCP URL and click Add. The TikTok ads connector is now added. Click Connect to authorize it. The connector is now connected to Claude. Now, let's use it. Write a prompt, asking Claude to pull TikTok ads performance data for the last 30 days. The prompt asks for campaign names, spend, impressions, video views, clicks, CTR, CPC, and conversions. It also asks to generate a structured report with high performers, underperformers, and recommendations. Claude connects to your TikTok ads account through InsightfulPipe, loads the tools, runs all the queries, and starts building the report. Here is the TikTok ads performance report covering the last 30 days. The summary shows 48,000 in total, spend 9.4 million impressions, over 186,000 clicks, and 3,218 conversions. The report highlights that retargeting leads with the lowest cost per conversion at $8.85, while Spring Sale UGC drives the highest volume with over 1,000 conversions. It includes 6 actionable recommendations to optimize future campaigns. That's TikTok ads connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.